A lot of the agriculture workers came to the East End to look for alternative work. A periodical is a publication that is issued regularly. A preliminary bibliography is due the week before the spring break. A thorough bibliography is needed at the end of every assignment. Acupuncture is a technique involved in the traditional Chinese medicine. All essays and seminar papers submitted must be emailed to a tutor. All necessary information is in the assignment. All students and staff have the access to the printers and laptops. All students are encouraged to vote in the forthcoming elections. All students need to participate in the exercise. Allergy problems do run in the family, but we don't understand why. And in this regard, as well as in other regards, this consideration is important. Any text or references you make should be cited appropriately in the footnotes. Anyone who has a problem with the accommodation should speak to their welfare officer. Being a student representative on the union really cuts into my study time. Companies exist for money, not for society. Conferences are always scheduled on the third Wednesday of the month. Distance learning has become far more popular these days. Dr. Green's office has been moved to the second floor of the building. Does the college refectory offer vegetarian dishes on a daily basis? Doing this research makes me think of the purpose of science. Don't forget to do a library tour on the first week of your semester. Don't forget to hand in your assignments by the end of next week. During the next few centuries, London will become one of the most powerful and prosperous cities in Europe. Elephant is the largest mammal on the land. Essays should be typed with double space in white paper. Farmers do not always receive the price for agricultural goods. Fees are heavily discounted, and the bursaries are available for delegates. Good research presents many benefits to the real people. He was not the only one to call for legal reform in the 20th century. Higher numbers of patients were infected than during previous outbreaks of illness. However, this method is problematic in terms of accuracy. I believe children should read aloud more. I didn't understand the author's point of view on immigration. I think the university's main campus is closed. I don't like cheese and tomato sandwiches on white bread. I missed yesterday's lecture. Can I borrow your notes? I still don't understand the last sentence. I thought the midterm exam was only worth half of our course grade. I'll be in my office every day from 11 to 12. I will check again, but I'm pretty sure we're supposed to read chapter 2. I will now demonstrate how the reaction can be arrested by adding dilute acid International students can get help with locating housing near the university. I'll start with a brief history of the district and then focus on the life in the first half of the 20th century. I've got a tutorial in an hour, and I haven't had any time to prepare for it. If you forgot your student number, you should contact Jenny Bryce. If you want to quit the student union, tell the registrar. In Europe, the political pressure is similar regarding globalization. In the last few weeks, we've been looking at various aspects of the social history of London. In the past, students were required to complete 2 long written assignments.